Okay, so in this video I am going to take you through the steps of setting up your pages for your website. So if we go to the dashboard and to the left sidebar, we click on Pages. I'm going to take you to the Page menu. So as you can see, I have already set up some dummy pages here. Quite simply, to add a page, you click. There are two ways that you can add a page. One is on the left side menu here. There's always the option to do that, and then when you are in the All Pages tab, it also gives you an option up here. So I'm going to create a new page here. Now by default the cursor will be in the title. So this is where you can type in your page title. I'm just going to put in bio, and I'm going to paste just some text here. Now you will be quite familiar with the options and features in your menu bar here, as they pretty much are comparable to anything that you'll see in a word processing software or on something like your Gmail or Yahoo accounts. So I won't go into too much detail on these elements. This little button here basically minimizes and maximizes the number of features available. And one thing that I will strongly recommend is that if you are pasting text from a Word document, make sure that you use this button to paste that text into your box here, as that will help strip that text of any hidden coding paragraphs that you may not be aware of in your Word document, which could interfere with the WordPress coding itself. So be sure to always use this button here. Alternatively, if you're using the other viewfinder, which I sometimes do use because it provides me with the HTML coding, you can paste it in here and it will automatically strip that text of any formatting, such as fonts and font sizes and such. So that's just a little tip there. Now you can go to the manual on my website for sort of a breakdown of all these buttons and the different elements around headings and sizes. On the right here, the features that you will have available will include the status of this draft, which is a draft, the other options that you're giving if you're on a site that needs, or perhaps you're just an author on the site, you don't have full admin privileges, you will want to click for that to be reviewed by the admin on the site. I'm just going to cancel that. Visibility, again, you'll generally want the visibility to be public, but you may have some pages that you want to protect with passwords and give out those passwords to the people that you want to access those pages. So those options are given, as are the option to keep it private just for users that are signed in to the back end of the site. I'm just going to cancel that. And then in this section you can also set, should you wish to perhaps schedule the posting for tomorrow or at a later date, you can also set the date and time for that. So now if you have installed the WordPress search engine plugin by Yoast, you will also have some SEO options here. Further down, Now if you want your page, you're given options here to create subpages, which will then show up as drop-down menus on your navigation, and depending on the themes and the theme developers, there will be varying alternatives of how the template of this page could look. So I won't really go into that because this will vary from template to template. As you can see here, I'm using a solo stream theme, and they have all sorts of additional features. And if you're going to use something like SoloStream or Elegant Themes or Woo Themes, all these theme developers provide additional videos on how to customize pages and posts on their themes. Okay, the order again is not really necessary at this point because I will show you how to set the order to your pages when I show you the video on setting up your menus on your navigation bars. So at this point I am quite happy. I don't want to put any images yet. I will talk you through inserting images in a later video, but for now I just want to preview this page before I post it. I'm going to go look here. I think I'm having some loading time issues. Okay, I would generally like to preview things before I publish them. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and publish it so that I can show you what the page looks like. I'm then going to click on View Page, and as you can see, here is my page. Now, if at any stage you wish to edit content on any of your pages, you quite simply go to your Pages tab. In here, you can just go in. You can either click on, to edit, you can either click on the actual page or the little edit button. I'll show you the quick edit just really allows you to make some changes such as scheduling and the status of the post and the title, but it doesn't give you the option to edit the actual content. So I'm just going to go back, and if you want to edit the content, you very simply go in and you can go ahead and edit that content. Another way that you can edit pages is, as long as they are published on your site, I'm just going to go visit the site. Let me view the page here. When you are on, as long as you're signed into your site, you can always edit a page or a post that you're on from the top menu. You will always see at the top here that there'll be an option. If it's a post, it will say edit post. In this case, it's a page. It will always give you this option when you are signed in as an administrator to your website. So you can always go in and click, and it will give you the editing option for that page or post. Okay, so you are now all set for your pages, and in the next video I will talk you through your posts and setting up categories for your posts.